Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and in this part we're going to talk about something I get a lot of comments on and a lot of questions on also. It's the fact that people are asking me, is Microsoft Edge faster or more secure than Google Chrome, or is it the other way around? What is the best browser? Well, that question, first of all, comes more for a personal opinion on browsers. This series is not to push you into Microsoft Edge. It's mostly to explain it, and if you use it, you'll learn a little more on how to do things with it. I use Microsoft Edge. It's my main browser. A lot of you have noticed that I have a lot of browsers on the bottom taskbar. It's simple. It's because I make videos on YouTube and I talk about different browsers. I have to have them all pre-installed because I need to access different browsers. But my main browser is Microsoft Edge. Is it more secure than Google Chrome? That is something that I would say is, you can't say really necessarily more secure. We'll put it more in the description of, or in the explanation, that it's as secure. It is untrue. A lot of people have been posting, oh, well, Chrome is much more secure. It's not. Both browsers are probably at the same level of security. I don't think one can be tagged as more secure than the other. As for what browser is better to use, once again, personal opinion, personal preference. You like Chrome, it's fine. You like Edge, it's fine. It's like that. Some people don't, some people do. And that's the important thing. And that's where, if whatever you use as a browser, as long as it's up to date to make sure that you stay safe, there isn't really any problems in using another browser or whatever browser you are using. The majority of people are using Google Chrome because it's kind of a standard, and Google has pushed it so much over the years that it became a standard that everybody started using. And that's why it's dominating. And when a piece of software dominates, it's tough to change that, and it's tough to turn it around. It's not impossible. If you look at Internet Explorer once was the dominant web browser. It's now not really used much. Mostly enterprise use it because it is integrated into Windows in a way that enterprise sometimes absolutely need to have Internet Explorer in order to access certain resource. But whatever you use is fine. And no, not one is not more secure than another. But there will be differences in the next videos. You'll see that might want you to move from one to the other, or maybe not. One thing for sure, I think anybody that is a little PC enthusiast, I think everybody that just wants to try stuff and learn more new features in Windows and on their computers should probably give it a try, because it is worth checking out. And maybe you'll find that you like it. Maybe you'll find that you don't. And if you don't, well, you know what? From that time on, just ignore it and use whatever other browser you want to use. But in terms of security, they're both secure. And as long as you keep them up to date, I don't think you can honestly say one is more secure than the other. They probably both are as secure, whatever you use. As long, of course, as you keep them up to date. And this is the key to keeping your browsers safe. Keeping them up to date with the latest versions, because they patch a lot of security flaws. One of the things also to note is that a lot of Chromium flaws are shared, meaning a security flaw in Google Chrome might also be in Microsoft Edge because they share the same code base. So a fix might need to be done also on Edge, and that's why each browsers need to be up to date all the time. But as for security, I don't think one is more secure than the other. As for which one I should use, the one you like is the simple answer to this question. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.